Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Gmail app on your Android phone. If you're using an iPhone, don't worry. I've included the iPhone instructions in the description below. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. If you don't see it on your home screen, simply swipe up to open your app drawer. On Samsung phones and most other Android devices, you'll find all of your installed apps there. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Gmail, then tap the official Gmail app when it appears in the search results. Next, tap Install, and wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your device. When the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Gmail. From here, all you need to do is sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account directly from the app. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to send, receive, and manage your emails from your phone. And that's all there is to it.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.